Power Philippines witnessed how leaders and innovators came together to chart the course for a cleaner maritime future. Experts shared breakthroughs in ferry design, propulsion, and charging infrastructure, highlighting how technology is driving safer, smarter, and more sustainable operations. The Norway-Philippines Electric Ferries Conference, part of Innovation Norway's trade mission to Singapore and the Philippines, opened doors for stronger cooperation and new market possibilities, steering the region toward a more sustainable maritime industry.